Welcome, today in front of me TCL C306, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test of this device. So I just tapped my fingerprint here to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now you can see that I can unlock the device with my fingerprint. Now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2. Okay, I'll just open the camera. 4, 5, 6. So as can you see, the fingerprint the scanner works here really fast. As can you see, I just simply touch it, and we can unlock the device just less than in 1 second. When I just touch it, just always place your finger here into the scanner, because as can you see, when I'm just make a mistake, so just we can unlock the device. So just was the simple touch, we can unlock the device, and that's so cool result. So I suggest you to try the fingerprint unlock, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode, pin code of water, so be careful with this. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.